Shotgun.
Hi there.
Hi.
You know, it's been a while.
Almost 10 years.
Too long. But maybe just long enough.
Professor Smith.
We're back. It's not two of me. It's just a mirror.
Updated these tools.
Updated these tools, updated this tool. Got a new one now. Works better. It's a cyber one.
Bionic.
Cyber penis. We're back with another edition of Shotgun.
Still only the second time that either one of us has done this.
That's Christine, our friend.
She explained how to do this. She's going to show us.
She's explained to us.
God. I do like 10 a day.
I read about it online and then...
So this is a show we do decadally. And we'd like for it to be kicked off by Christine showing us the proper method to shotgun a beer. And you're going to do that with... You're going to join us in the shower.
Please.
Actually, it wouldn't be a bad idea for a whole talk show to be hosted in a
Straight from the shower.
Straight from the shed. Shower.
Straight from the shower.
Straight from the shed. I can't.
All right, Larin and Travis.
Show us how you do this.
Travis in the Siamese.
Show us how you do it. It's not even open. Never seen
You
that
and your
before.
twin couldn't figure that out.
I didn't pick the camera angle, but I did pick my face. All right, so you're gonna show us the proper method.
I don't know. Let me Google that shit real quick.
All right, while he's doing that, we might as well introduce you to our sponsor, Milwaukee's Best Ice Beer.
Ice, baby.
This is a beer made from ice for a crisp, bold taste. They claim that this does not contain a significant amount of protein, so we're going to have to probably get some bananas later or something to figure that out.
That would be potassium.
You can get protein for bananas, too.
Not really that much.
See,
Not much.
Now we're a lot older, so we're talking about potassium and protein.
Well, we're talking about kind of how you need to stay regular, and that's what you think about.
Regularity.
That's what you think about as an older man.
Mine certainly aren't regular.
I would bet
that's a
yours
different story
are
for
some of the
another
most irregular.
For another bathroom edition.
They're very irregular.
I would bet those are some of the most irregular
video.
ones.
That
It probably,
one's hard to get.
well, the turlet.
All right, so let's do this?
Thing. So he's got to show us first.
Okay,
He's going to
ready?
show us,
Yeah.
and
Watch your eyes.
we're going to observe.
Like shoe dry.
I have glasses on, so I am already shielded. Go. Do it. Just stop being a bitch about it. You got your shoes on, don't you? We're in a shower
Yeah,
after all.
shoes.
Obviously, he brought his shoes.
Right, ready?
Crazy. Why was just shit? Oh God. And so all that talk earlier about it's because it was a knife that it made that mess.
Yeah. Let's end up with beer in
Wow.
my hair.
It's empty though, except for below the hole.
You got the whole thing just like that?
Yeah.
Very good.
Now, folks, you should
Very
know
good.
if you've seen Shotgun 1, it will take me approximately
fast.
5 minutes to
So
do
maybe
the
you
same.
should go next.
I probably should start it and then you should take it.
That's
All right,
probably
so-
not.
No, you should
I gotta
mean,
go
don't
suck
just,
up all this beer
live
off the
down
floor
here.
of the bathtub now.
suck it off my shoes, bitch. All right, so I'm going to probably do it like this just to kind of try to sort of keep it on the shampoos as much as possible. And we are full-grown adults in our 30s. Go.
You still can't fucking... You have to
I see a proper hole. Oh, yeah.
That is a proper hole.
You're right, I do have to open it.
Give me the thing. Alright.
Oh
It's
my
supposed to be
God.
like a one thing, like you stab
Right.
and you click, right? It's supposed to
Yeah.
be like kind of all at the same time as she.
Yeah.
Still going.
Wait, whoa,
I'm enjoying
that's right
myself.
on my face.
Good lord.
Click it.
Now, what do the cops think if your clothes are soaked in alcohol? Is that better or worse?
Weird.
We're so bad at this.
I'm
It's been a decade.
I'm gonna have to loan you an outfit.
Oh, to
What
sleep
would that
in.
outfit be?
We might have to take showers.
Sleep in cat fur. I'm keeping my shoes on if you don't mind.
Look at the mirror. And your phone is probably ruined too. It's all
No, it's
silly.
fine. There's nothing on it.
Okay, well,
good to go.
Well, the mirror's not good to go.
I'm doing much worse now than I did at 22.
Oh, come on now. I got a little.
And we say adieu to our 22s by doing another Beast Eyes.
And purple stripes.
Sharpeners named Julie have made love. Two KISS
I gotta clean
members
this mirror.
in Paul Stanley.
And pencil sharpeners.
Well, this has been Shotgun 2. I'm still enjoying my beverage.
We're clearly adults now,
and
because now we're
that's the-
concerned about
And that's the
water
real
stains.
secret.
This mirror's enjoying his beverage.
That's the real secret, is to enjoy your beverage. We'll be back
Responsibly.
For Shotgun 3 in 2025.
Yeah.
We will
Can't
see
wait
you
to
there
be
for
40.
that. That one will probably be a holosode, I imagine.
We'll have
A
kings.
VR holosode.
And play it in your brain.
We'll play it directly into your brain. Hey, if you subscribe, it's already too late.
Oh, my canvas shoes.
You get 1,600 Zorb ball
Oh, you
credits.
get extra Zord credits if you download it off of the Goobatron. Now, if you connect to the GoobaNet through ZinkTalk and his system, you're going to have to put in a promo code, but
With your 5 jillion
don't worry,
gigabyte
we're going to Skype
hard
that
drive.
right into your mailbox, so you'll be fine.